Welcome back. Parliamentary panel on commerce has recommended that the export of iron ore should be stopped. Favoring a ban on iron ore exports, a parliamentary panel has called for restricting the mining of the ore for domestic purposes only, as it is a scarce resource.
According to the official figures, iron ore production in the country was about 208 million tons in 2010-11, while domestic consumption was a little over half of the total production. Parliamentary panel on commerce placed its report before Rajya Sabha on Monday. Parliamentary panel says, the committee strongly feels that the Commerce Department may promote export of our agricultural products, but exports of iron ore or similar resources which are scarce and limited should be stopped. The panel headed by Shanda Kumar says, the Department of Commerce may learn from China, which despite enjoying huge iron ore reserves, has been preserving them for future. Till the time necessary advances are made, the mining of our iron ore and other scarce resources may be limited to our domestic requirement. The iron ore exports are expected to come down to about 65 million tons in 2011-12 from 97 million tons in the previous fiscal due to a mining ban in Karnataka and probe initiated by mineral-rich states like Odisha and Goa to check illegal mining. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Kudos to Ponda Police. Ponda Police cracked down a gang of robbers in Ponda. 3 persons were arrested in this connection. Goods worth 7 lakh rupees have been recovered from them.
3 persons, Sadiq Mohammed from UP, Bablu alias Ajay Kumar from Karnataka and Rajar Bipari Nepali were arrested by Ponda police on Monday night. They were arrested at Deepnagar in Ponda.
त्यांच्याकडून सध्या आम्ही 2 मारुती व्हॅन त्यांच्यानी जे क्रायमान यूज केले ते अटॅच केले आसा. त्यांच्याकडून आमकां 5 बॅटरी मेळ्ळ्यो, ट्रकाच्यो व्हडल्यो बॅटरी आनी 2 मिडियम सायज, टोटल 5, तितूंतले 3 व्हडली सायज आनी 2 मिडियम सायज, 2 टू व्हिलर मेळ्ळ्या, एक एक्टिवा आनी स्प्लेंडर, 16 टायर रिकवर केल्या ट्रकाचे, 16 ट्रकाचे टायर रिकवर केले आनी 2 इंडिकाचे स्टेपनी मेळिल्ले आनी सोफार आमच्या कडेन 4 कंप्लेनी आसा, ते आमचे डिटेक्ट जाल्ले फुडलें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन.
Ponda police had earlier received complaints of robbery of truck tires and other materials. They are suspecting more persons involved in this crime. Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Madgaonkars have demanded that a ward should be reserved for senior citizens at new district hospital coming up at Madgaon. They have also demanded an eye bank in the hospital. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar welcomed the suggestion.
Tulsidas Malkarnekar, a senior journalist and a social worker from Madgaon, has submitted a representation to Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar demanding a reservation of ward for senior citizen in the upcoming district hospital at Madgaon. Madgaonkars also need an eye bank in the hospital.
Senior citizen तितून सगळी व्यवस्था आणि एक नेत्रदानाचे हॉस्पिटल म्हणजे छोटासा जागा आम्ही नेत्रपेढी म्हणतात कोकणी भाषेत, ती नेत्रपेढी आसली आणि ती नेत्रपेढी दक्षिण भागात फक्त आता ती म्हापश्या उन्नावन हॉस्पिटल आसा पूण हांगा ना आणि ती बी आसा रोटरी क्लब चलयता पूण ही गव्हर्मेंटान चलोवची अशी मागणी आमी ती आणि स्वता हांवें नेत्रदान केलां आणि इतरांनी करचें असो म्हाजो प्रयत्न आसा.
Parsekar welcomed the suggestion. He assured to consider the same.
फिजिबल जातले हांव पळयता, पण हो विचार बरो आसा. कोणें तरी तकलें धाडून दिलो जाल्यार तो फुडें वचूं शकता. हो फिजिबिलिटी कितें आसा, कितें जावं शकता हें हांव पळयता.
Our reporter from Margaon, Savio Dias.
Padne police have arrested 1 person for illegal laterite extraction in government property near the sports city at Dargad. Directorate of Mines had complained to Padne police against the accused person. Padne police have seized 10 trucks and 3 power tillers that were used for illegal extraction.
Padne police have arrested Girish Sawant from Anjuna for illegal mining of laterite stone in government property near Sports City at Dhargarh on Monday evening. Police arrested the accused person under Section 447, 379 of IPC and sections of Mines and Minerals Act. JMFC Padne has remanded the accused persons to 2 days police custody. Our reporter from Dhargarh, Vinod Methar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.